Hey, quick heads up before we jump in. If you want a special offer on identity protection, make sure to click the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get real for a second. Identity theft is like that one weird uncle at the family barbecue. Nobody wants to deal with it, but you kind of have to. And when it comes to guarding your online life, two names always pop up: IDShield and LifeLock. But which one actually has your back when the cyber gremlins come knocking? Let's break it down. First up, LifeLock. It's flashy, it's everywhere. And it has that catchy LifeLock $1 million protection package. Sounds posh, right? LifeLock monitors your credit, sends out alerts if someone's snooping around your info, and offers up to $1 million for stolen funds and legal help. But, and it's a big but, a lot of those perks only unlock at the higher price tiers. The basic plan? It's a bit like having a guard dog that only barks at squirrels, not burglars. Now, IDShield. Not as famous maybe, but don't count it out. IDShield covers you, your spouse, and your kids with just one plan, very family-friendly. They do credit monitoring, dark web surveillance, and even track your social media for sketchy activity. Got your identity stolen? They'll assign a licensed private investigator, which, let's be honest, sounds way cooler than just customer support. Here's the tea: LifeLock is great for people who want lots of bells and whistles, especially if you're willing to pay for the premium stuff. IDShield is more straightforward, covers your whole crew, and doesn't make you shell out extra for the good stuff. But both have their quirks. LifeLock has had some controversies in the past, and IDShield's app can feel a bit old school. So ask yourself, do you want the big brand with all the upgrades, or the underdog that keeps it simple and thorough? Either way, peace of mind is priceless, except, when you can get a discount. So don't forget to click that link in the description below for your special offer. Stay safe out there, and remember, your data deserves a bouncer, not a doormat.